The function of the lab is to ensure that our fittings comply with all the regulatory standards. We've got 5 test engineers just doing testing, full-time doing testing, and then I've got a whole team of design engineers doing the design work for that. What we need to do is produce a declaration of compliance which says that all the testing has been carried out, and to do that I've got to do a full 60598 test, which is the standard used in the manufacture of luminaires. Now, under that we have to do a EMC compliance, which is CISPA 15. We need to do glow wire needle flame tests, that's checking for the flammability of plastics. IP testing, where we're checking for dust and water ingress. We do an endurance test, which is a 10-day thermal test, where we overrun the temperature thermally as well as voltage. And at the end of 10 days, we do a short circuit and make sure that that fails safely. If it's an emergency fitting, we need to do a full compliance testing. We'd also need to do photometric testing. There's high voltage testing needed, and then we also have to comply with AS3000, which is the wiring rules. Everything is checked, and that's where the benefit comes in, that Gerard Lighting has fully tested the fittings. There are no surprises, and that there's no chance of a bad design slipping through or a component that is going to be overrun and have a premature failure in the field. Everything we sell, even if it's from an outside manufacturer, is fully compliant to our testing.